Got a CEV file from an engineering contractor and your CAD software doesn't recognize it? This is a specialized 3D model format from a niche engineering visualization platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you figure out how to view and work with these engineering model files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the CEV format. Details below. CEV files are 3D engineering model files containing geometric data for visualization and analysis of engineering structures and components. They store three-dimensional mesh data surface definitions, material properties, and assembly hierarchies used in engineering design, review structural analysis, and construction visualization, applications within specialized CAE software environments. CEV files are 3D engineering model files containing geometric data for visualization and analysis of engineering structures and components. They store three-dimensional mesh data surface definitions, material properties, and assembly hierarchies used in engineering design, review structural analysis, and construction visualization, applications within specialized CAE software environments. For CEV, use CAD tools as your initial compatibility check. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows doesn't display full design details, so reviewing these files properly requires CAD-capable software. To resolve this, right-click your CEV file and choose Open With. Pick an app that fits the file's category. CAD Tools is a general bucket. Then test other options until it opens. If your CEV file will not open yet, do not panic. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, identifying the source software. Determine which engineering application created the CEV file by checking the context where you received it or examining the file header in a hex editor. Contact the file sender to confirm the originating software. The specific application determines which viewer or converter is needed to access the 3D model data correctly. Next, attempting universal viewers. Try opening the CEV file in general. Purpose 3D viewers like FreeCAD MeshLab or the Autodesk Online Viewer, which support many engineering formats. If these tools recognize the format, you can view the 3D geometry and export to common formats like STEP OBJ or STL for use in your preferred CAD application. Finally, converting through intermediary formats. If the originating software is identified, ask the file creator to export the model in a universal exchange format, such as STEP, IGES, or FBX. These industry-standard formats preserve geometric data and material properties, while ensuring broad compatibility across different CAD and visualization platforms for collaborative engineering review. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.